Hello everyone. So this will be a very short video today. We are now on GitHub. Now if you've been reading the comments on some of the last videos, you might have noticed this already, but this is the formal, official, whatever else declaration, I guess, that we are on GitHub. So if you go to github.com/sudo cpp, you will be greeted by this page. Now there are various projects that I've been working on over the years, and the one that relates to this Raspberry Pi 4 programming is right here. If we were to take a look at it right now, you can see that it goes all the way up to date to where we are, and as more videos are made, you will see them appear here. And actually this has been up here for 3 weeks now. I wanted to make sure it was stable, that there was more comments available. If you look at some of the code that we have here, you'll see that compared to the videos, there are a lot more details added. The little boxes are more complete. There's pretty much details on every line of code unless it's a repeat, but it explains exactly what's going on, even more than I could do in a video explaining all these different little aspects. It includes little ASCII diagrams to try to help explain things. It links, or doesn't link directly, you can't click on it, but it explains where you can find this information in the documentation. So yes, it's been a little bit of a work in progress. I wanted to make sure that everything was good to go, and then also, well, life always gets busy, so there's that too. But anyway, I hope you enjoy using this new repository, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.